Miel, sit. Good girl, Sombra. Get it. Who's gonna win this tug of war match this time? Oh, it's a new elephant toy. Oh, ho, 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 ho. She got it good there. She ripped off a piece already. Oh man, look. Oh no, poor elephant. Poor elephant. What's going on here? It's like a stalemate. Now they're just gonna rip parts off as a team, or what's going on here? Sure, yep, I already got some stuffing out. He just killed the animal and just. Oh my god. This is. On to be wild. That massacre. Unstuffing them. Yeah, rather than destroy this toy, than destroy the whole house. That's for sure. But they don't do that. But Miel, the brown pit bull mix we have here, she has bitten some cords before, and well, just gotta block them off. You can block them off with some cardboard or something, and you should be good. Massacre. Massacre. Look at all this. Alright, I'm gonna put it away before they completely destroy it. That way they can play with it again.